Okay, my name is Audrey. I'm 32 and I'm from Wrexham. I personally think recycling is important, basically because it serves the environment and, things that we recycle can be used once again rather than just being a waste to the landfills or things like that. So personally, I recycle newspapers, any paper things, glass, bottle, metal, and garden waste as well. Overall, I think it's good. I'm happy with the collection, the collection days and how frequent it's done. But I think there are some more things that we could recycle, but they are not covered in my area. You know, things like I was saying, drink cartons and things like that. You can't recycle that in Wrexham. You know, you just recycle the basic things. So I think that there's more that can be done in recycling. Yeah, I think the Welsh government should first educate people about the benefits of recycling, because most people are not aware of the benefits, or some people want to find out what's in it for them. There should be some incentive to try and encourage it first to get people going. So if people could be given probably tokens to go shop for vegetables or do something healthy with whatever they owe for leisure centres or things like that, something very positive. So I think they need to be educated more about the benefits of recycling, because most people are not aware. Why should they do it?